You've signed your copier deal with AIS. Congrats. But what happens next? Don't worry. In this video, we will walk you through the steps so you know exactly what to expect after the ink dries on that deal. Hey y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS. First things first, your equipment gets ordered. But here's something super important. Filling out the Network Information Form, or NIF. This form tells us everything we need to know about how your new copier should connect with your systems. It's usually best if your IT team or network manager completes this. If the NIF isn't filled out properly, it can slow things down because we need all the details like how many users there are, whether you want to scan to email, and what servers we need access to. Making sure it's fully completed is key to keeping things smooth and fast. Next up is the logistics. Our team will schedule an install date with you, and you'll get an email the day before the delivery. It's that little reminder, hey, your new copier is coming tomorrow. On the morning of, we'll send you another email with a window of time, usually 2 hours, so you're ready when it shows up. When our team arrives, they get right to work. Installation, testing, making sure everything prints, scans, and operates exactly how you want it to. We even import things like your address books from the old copier to the new one if you would like. And don't worry, you're not left to figure it out on your own. We'll train you and your team on how to use it all. After the installation, you'll sign off on everything right on an iPad. Then you'll get a welcome book with all the info you need, from how to contact us to some helpful tips on how to make the most of your new copier. And hey, there's even a section on how you can earn some cash by referring us to others. Lastly, we'll ask you to rate us using a quick survey. It's called a Net Promoter Score. You know, the would you recommend us to a friend. Then, every quarter, your rep will check in to make sure your copier is still running smoothly and that you're happy with everything. Also, if you need to submit a service request for your equipment, you will have the option to receive an instant online tracking email. This allows you to easily monitor your technician's journey in real time as they head your way. And that's it. The key to all of this is communication. If you let us know ahead of time how you want your copier to interact with your network, we can make the setup process super smooth. If you've got any questions or special requests, now's the time to ask. You can give us a call or visit our website, ais-now.com. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.